Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today's our amazing assignment is on chapter 9 comparing quantities. The amazing assignment is from Sadhana workbook. From that, work out question 8, 9 and 10 questions. For this you can refer workbook page number 31 and 32. Let us have a look on our amazing assignment today. Check whether the following ratios are in proportion or not. What is mean by proportion? Proportion is nothing but the equality of two ratios is called proportion. So, if these two ratios are equal, then we can say that the given ratios are in proportion. So, to check that we have a formula, that is, if the product of means is equal to product of extremes. If the product of means is equal to product of extremes, then we say that those ratios are in proportion. What are the means here? See, 15 and 10, and the product of extremes 5 and 30. So first find the product of means 15 and 10. Take the numbers 15 and 10. As we are going to find the product, multiply 15 into 10 is equal to, extremes are 5 and 30. So take the numbers 5, 30. Here also we are going to find the product, take the symbol of multiplication, 5 into 30. Now 15 tens, 150 is equal to 5 threes 15 and 0, 150. So see here, this is, see, from left hand side and right hand side. So LHS, that means left hand side. Okay, my left hand side and my right hand side, this is right hand side. Okay, so LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, both are equal. So we can say that these are in proportion. So 15 is to 15, sorry, 5 is to 15 is as 10 is to 30 are in proportion. Next one, B1, 15 is to 12 is as 5 is to 3. Solution. Take the problem. These are the extremes and these are the means. Now same, product of means 12 into 5 is equal to 14 into 3, 14 into 3. Why I got 12 into 5 and 14 into 3? See here, 12 into 5 is nothing but product of means. Here the product of means is nothing but means 12 and 5. And here this is product of extremes, 14 and 3 are the extremes, right? So 12 into 5, 12 5 is 60 is equal to 14 3 is 42. Okay, now 60 and 42 both are different, right? That means these two are not equal. So here not equal to symbol must be come. Okay, as 60 is not equal to 42, that means left hand side is not equal to right hand side, then we say that 14 is to 12 is as 5 is to 3 are not in proportion. Next one. Now what is the percent of 82 millimeters of 25 centimeters? Solution. 82 millimeters of 25 centimeters can be written as 25 into 10 millimeters. Why do I multiply with 10? To convert the centimeters into millimeters. It is equals to 250 millimeters. Now to find the percentage, 82 millimeters by 250 millimeters into 100. It is equals to 82 into 100, 8200 by 250. Now 0 0 cancel. It is equals to again 5 with 5 also we can cancel. 5 5s 25, 5 1s 5, and here 3 will be left. Now 32 will be there. So 5 6 is 30 and 5 4s 20. Then 164 by 5 will be there. Now divide it. 164 by 5. 5 3s 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. Next down 4. Now 5 2s 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. Here take the decimal point, then you will get 0 here. 5 8s 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So the answer 32.8 is the answer. Okay. Next one. 500 pies of rupees 500. Now 500 pies of, see this rupees 500 can be written as 500 into 100. Why? We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. Then 500 rupees is equal to 500 into 100. So 5, after that 4 zeros, then it becomes 50,000. So 500 pies of 50,000 pies. It is equals to 500 by 50,000 into 100, as we have to find it the percentage into 100. It is equals to 2 zeros cancel, and here 2 zeros cancel. It is equals to 5 by 5. 1 by 1, that means 5 1, so 5 and 5 1s 5, it is equal to 1. So 1% is the answer. Here also take the percentage symbol, 32.8%. Express the first quantity as a percentage of the second for the following. First one, 4 marbles out of 10 marbles can be written as 4 by 10. It is equals to, see, equal the denominator as 104 by 10 into 10 by 10. If we get denominator as 100, it is easy. So it is equals to 40 by 100. It is equals to 40%. Okay. Next one, second one, B. 6 bars out of 10 bars of a chocolate. So that can be written as 6 by 10. It is equals to 6 by 10 into 10 by 10. Equal the denominator as 100. 6 into 10 is 60 by 10 tens 100. It is equals to 60%. Next one, C1. 15 balls out of 30 balls. It is equals to 15 ones, 15 twos. 1 by 2 into, see, equal the half is nothing but 50, right? 50%, but go with the normal procedure. Into, we have to multiply it with 50 by 50. It is to get the denominator as 100, equal to 50 by 100. It is equals to 50%. This is only our assignment for today, children. Thank you.